How to turn off YouTube notifications on Samsung phones. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off YouTube notifications on your Samsung phone. First, open the YouTube app. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then tap Settings. Next, select Notifications. Here, you can control different types of YouTube notifications, such as subscriptions, recommended videos, and other alerts. To turn off a specific notification, simply tap the toggle next to it. If you want to turn off all YouTube notifications, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Go to Notifications, then select App Notifications. Find and select YouTube. Turn Allow Notifications off. This will disable all notifications from the YouTube app on your Samsung phone. That's it. You've successfully learned how to turn off YouTube notifications on your Samsung phone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Samsung tips, YouTube tutorials, and step-by-step tech guides.